exterminate!
Hello explorers, I'm back to fill that empty gaping chasm in your heart. I'm at MCM London. I'm here for all 3 days. This day though, we're just going to give you a little flavour, a taste of what's here, so hold on tight. Get those half-time oranges out. We've finished the first haul. It's been really good so far, really great variety of vendors. The MCM community stands have been great. Keep watching because we're about to go into the South Hall where there's Pop Asia, Side Quest, the exhibitors. What else will we find? Let's go have a look. Alright explorers, first haul was fantastic, second haul was so-so, not really the big name exhibitors I was expecting or hoping for, but still a fun day. We will be back tomorrow and Sunday with a much bigger video showing you far more in depth of what's going on. I hope you enjoyed this little first reaction and we'll see you soon explorers.